this Pretend Farmer Girl, and I wanted to show you how I'm using my aquaponics system to do my seed starting for the in-ground garden. When we got this system, it came with these little pieces from, I think it's coconut, that you have to soak them and they swell up. And I have had, I've been surprised how little germination I've gotten using these, and I realized, I didn't realize that I was using the wrong medium to start with. So I ended up buying these plugs. You can see them. And my germination went to almost 100%, because I think when I was setting the seeds inside of these, they were just falling through. So anyway, here's some pepper plants that I have. Jalapeno. I have, these are beefsteak tomatoes, and I'm going to be transplanting them in the next day or so. Here are some peas that I decided to start over here to try to keep the squirrels away. The ones on the right here are Amish paste, and I have some more jalapenos, and I have a little bit of, I don't know, it's some sort of kale right there. So I just wanted to show you how, even though I'm not going to grow these tomatoes in the aquaponics right now, I am using them to start the seeds. And I waited to feed the fish, so I thought hopefully you'll be able to catch a little bit of them coming to the surface for food. That's what I've got going on for now. This is Pretend Farmer Girl signing out.